Mouldcraft. Quality products from a brand you can trust. Used in our forged carbon fiber skinning kits. This is our 12mm chopped carbon fiber toe. This chopped carbon fiber toe is made from 100% virgin standard modulus fiber, 4-5 chopped to a consistent length of 12mm. This specification of chopped toe is often used as reinforcement in compression molded forged carbon fiber components. Being a virgin material made from consistent feedstock, the material is extremely consistent, and does not have the irregularities or inclusions characteristic of recycled chopped toe. This length of toe is ideal for creating the forged carbon look, which can be purchased as a skinning kit in our online shop.